This video will show you how to assemble National Ramp's passage system. This kit contains a top transition plate, an bottom transition plate, and hardware and round plugs. The passage kit does not contain end loops. These should be purchased separately. One person is required for this assembly. To assemble the passage kit, you will need an impact driver, a drill, a number 2 Phillips bit, a 9/16 socket, a 1/8 drill bit. Turn the ramp upside down. Assemble the top transition plate to the ramp. Hook the back of the top transition plate to the ramp plank beam. Then push the top transition plate down to engage with the ramp tongue. Install the drilling screws to fasten the top transition plate to the ramp. Assemble bolts to the universal brackets. Loosely assemble the universal bracket and bolt to the handrail. Slide the handrail with universal bracket assembly onto the ramp side rail. Tighten the serrated nuts. With the top transition plate and handrail installed, position the ramp where it will be used, resting the top transition plate at the top of the landing. Slide the bottom transition plate onto the bottom ramp. Secure the top and bottom of the ramp to landing and ground by installing driller screws through the top transition plate and the bottom transition plate holes. Install the 8 round plugs in the open ends of the handrails.